Hi there. When I'm out at events, coaching, or even in the pro shop working, I get asked a lot, how can I create more revs on the ball? There's a lot of different ways to do this. We'll show you how it happens, okay? My name is Scott Pohl. I'm a contributor of the National Bowling Academy. What we're gonna do in this video is get out there, give you numerous ways how you can increase your revs. Let's go check it out. First of all, you want to make sure that you can increase rotation of the fingers. What happens there, you get a quick exit out of the thumb hole, and the fingers are definitely at the bottom of the ball at the release point. Getting it a little bit closer and how a drill will help you, we're going to show you right now, the stationary drill. I'm going to show you some good ways, bad ways, how to make this happen. First of all, here's an example when the thumb and the fingers come out at the same time and we do not get many revolutions on the ball. You can see it's very flat, nothing happens on the lane, and the ball doesn't move at all. Moving on from there, we're going to show you an example of where we just have kind of a normal wrist position, fairly flat, but the thumb does exit the ball first, and we get a nice release with some good revs on the ball. Well, I get asked a lot, how can I create more revs? What we can do here in this example is actually have a cupped wrist. What this does, a lot more power underneath the ball with more revolutions as we release the ball on the lane. Another way to even create more revs in this example is with a cupped wrist and a bent elbow. It actually creates a lot more power when we let go of the bowling ball. A big important thing to consider to create more revs also is to have a good fit of the bowling ball with a relaxed hand and a fast exit with our thumb out of the ball. For example, if we think of two-handers, why do they create so many revs so fast? Well, their hand is under the ball and it comes out at a very late possible moment at the release, and the thumb isn't in there at all. So the thumb exit doesn't even matter, which is why two-handers get a lot more revolutions on the bowling ball most of the time than one-handers. All right, so we showed you a lot of ways on the lanes through some drills, getting the right fit, getting out of that ball nice and clean, especially fast. We even showed you why two-handers create a lot more revs on the ball. I hope you can get out there. Some of these aspects will help you. Practice it a little bit. I guarantee your rev rate will increase.